Yes. Before that, let's do the counting. Come on. Everybody stand up. Yes. Very good. Super. Come on. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Super. Let's do the counting one more time. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow. Very good. Super. Okay, baby. Let's sing a one rhyme. Let's sing a one rhyme. Are you all ready? Come on. What rhyme shall I sing? Shall we sing a fish rhyme? Fish rhyme? Very good. Super. Come on. See. 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? It bit my finger show. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Let's sing once again. Come on. Come on, see here. See the numbers. See the numbers. Everyone see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? It bit my finger show. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Very good, baby. Fantastic. Okay, baby. We have finished up to 10 numbers. Am I right? From 1 to 10, we have finished. Have you all given revision? Have you all given revision? Yes, I hope you all gave the revision that concept. Okay, baby. Today our concept is 0. What we are going to see, baby? What we are going to see? Listen here. See here. So 1 means 1 butterfly. See, 2 means 2 fishes. Okay. 3 means how many trees? 3 trees. Next, 4 means how many mangoes? 4 means how many mangoes? 4 mangoes. Then 5 means how many ice creams? 5 ice creams. Okay, baby. What about 0? What about 0? Okay, come on. Come, let's check the 0. Whether 0 has value or not. Okay, baby. See here. And now I am sticking some teddy bears over here. See here. Yes. Come on. See here. See how many teddy bears I am sticking here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I am removing 1 teddy bear from this group. Now how many teddy bears are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here we have seen 5 teddy bears. Now I am removing 1 teddy bear from this group. How many teddy bears now? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many teddy bears? 4 teddy bears. Okay, baby. Shall I remove another teddy bear? Yes. See here. Yes. Now how many teddy bears here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, baby. Now shall I remove another one? See here. Now how many teddy bears are here? 1, 2. Okay, baby. Next I am removing another one. See here. How many teddy bears? How many teddy bears? 1 teddy bear. So number 1 means 1 teddy bear. See here. Shall I remove this one? Yes. Can you see any teddy bears over here? Can you see any teddy bears over here? No, nothing. So what is the value of nothing? See here. What is the value of nothing here? What's the value of nothing here? So we cannot see no teddy bears here. So what's the value of nothing? See, that is 0. That is 0. What is this, baby? That is 0. 0 means no value. 0 means no value. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Shall we do once again? Shall we do once again? Come on, see here. See here, come on. See here. Look at here, everybody. Come on. See how many teddy bears are here? How many teddy bears are here? See, what is this number? This is number 5. See here, how many teddy bears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 5 teddy bears. Now I am take away 1 teddy bear from this group. Okay, baby. Now, how many teddy bears are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means what number will come? See here. 4. Okay, baby. 4. Next, I am removing 1 more teddy bear from this group. See here. Now, how many teddy bears? 1, 2, 3. How many teddy bears are here? 3. See the number 3. Next, I am removing another one. See here. Now, how many teddy bears are here? Say, everybody say, how many teddy bears are here? 2. How many teddy bears? 2. So, where is number 2? 2 is over here. Now, I am take away next one. See here. See here. See now, how many teddy bears over here? 1 teddy bear. So, 1 teddy bear means what number will come? Number 1. Number 1. So, now I am removing this one also. Now, can you see any teddy bears here? No. Can you see any teddy bears here? No. Nothing. See here? Nothing. So, that is the value of 0. That is the value of 0. See the 0 here, everybody. See the 0 here. Come on. Come closer. Everyone come and see the value of 0. See? Yes. 0 means no value. Nothing. Okay, baby? Now see here. What is this number? What is this number? This is number 1. So 1 means 1 butterfly. See here. 1 means how many butterflies? 1 butterflies. Okay, baby. Next, 1 before. 1 before what number will come? 0. 1 before? 1. 1 means how many butterfly? 1 means how many butterfly? 1 butterfly. Okay, baby. 1 before what number will come? 1 before? 0. 1 before? 0. Then 0 has value? 0 has anything here? No. 0 has anything over here? So for all numbers they have a value. 1 butterfly, 2 fishes, 3 trees, 4 mangoes, 5 ice cream. But 0 has any objects are there? No. So 0 has no value. 0 has no value. 0 has nothing. Okay, baby. Have you all understood? Have you all understood or not? Yes, I hope that everyone you enjoy this session. Okay, baby. Have you all understood or not? Yes. Okay. Now, the numbers 1 to 10 daily. Okay. Whenever you find 10, you have to be given revision regarding that concept as well as 0 also. Okay, baby. Have you all understood? Okay, bye-bye. We see you on next class.